to stop your hiccups, you're gonna need this paper bag with no holes. You're gonna need one glass of water and holding your breath. And you're just gonna be drinking water because to like relax the muscles here, because when you eat too fast and you hiccup. So you're gonna be drinking water, you're gonna be holding your breath for 10 seconds. I'm gonna be breathing here. If you like this video, guys, can you press the like button down there? Or if this is not a short, maybe press the button down there.